are you doing?
We're going to Colorado.
Why are we going there?
We're going to scout elk.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Our flight is delayed as Mattie yawns here. It's... I don't know what time it is, my watch is wrong, but...
It's like 8.
Yeah, it's like 8. And hopefully we get there in one piece. Yeah. Alright, we're on the plane, finally. What do you think, Mattie?
I think it's an airplane.
Also on today's flight, we will be offering our bistro on board, which are our food options.
We'll be in Colorado in 3.5 hours. And then we're going to do cool shit.
If you wish to make any of these purchases during
Hello, people of Earth. We're about to land. The Rockies are right there. There we go. What?
I'm recording.
Oh, you are? Alright, well. Oh, that guy almost killed someone. Anyways, we're on I-70. We're headed to Steamboat Springs. We got In-N-Out Burger before we eat Mountain House meals for the next 4 days, or 3 days, or whatever it is. What do you think, Mattie?
I don't know.
Camera girl. We see the mountains. They're in our view, and we're very excited to get out into the wilderness and away from people because we've been in lines all day. Cheers. We are an hour and a half from our camping location for tonight, which we're camping with some friends tonight, and then we're headed to the backcountry to actually scout. So we're about an hour from Steamboat Springs, and we're kind of just in like some rolling hill country now. Let's see what it looks like. I think it's pretty. Really haven't seen any wildlife yet. We saw some elk and evergreen, really nice 6x6 bull, which was really promising. I thought that was a really good omen for this this trip and for the elk hunt actually in October. But it's gorgeous. It's 80 degrees and no humidity, and we are happy people right now. Alright, what do you think?
It's amazing. I don't know.
So we're just outside of Steamboat. They gave us a Tacoma. That's Kim Possible today. Awesome. Just of us standing here.
Okay.
Morning. How'd you sleep?
Good.
I slept good too. So, we had an interesting turn of events. My brother brought the tent we were using over, and he said everything's good, you don't even have to check it. So we get all the way from Ohio to Colorado, start setting up the tent, and there's no tent poles. He mistaked the fly poles for the tent poles, and yeah, so we slept in hammocks. We took 2 hammocks, put them together, share heat. I don't know what was the temperature last night. Probably.
What's it right now?
Probably in the 40s. We're gonna get cold though, thanks to our layering.
It's 39 out right now.
It's 39, and we slept under the stars. And the Milky Way last night was incredible. There were so many stars. the longer I looked at the sky, the more stars I saw. So, anyways, shout out to my brother for getting poles or mistakenly. So, anyways, we're gonna eat some breakfast, going to town, try to find poles so we can actually camp. Thankfully, we're camping with friends, so they let us use these hammocks. Otherwise, we would have been taking a dirt nap. So, I'm recording. Here.
What?
It's still recording.
Oh.
Look, there's a moose. There's a moose. There's a moose.
Wait, for real?
Yeah, come here.
Oh, there it is.
Go get them. Go get them. Go tell them there's a moose. Hurry. Okay. No, then stay here. That's awesome. So the moose are literally right there, just chilling, eating a brush or something. They don't seem to mind me.
Those tall aspens right over the other side of these scrubs over there.
Yeah.
So that's where we started. And then we just worked down and eventually ended up here and then brought all our meat back up this way.
Just over this hill.
Yeah. But it helps to know how to get back to the path because that's where we just, the kid who was leading me, just like...
This is so fun. Kind of. Not fun if you're car sick. If you get car sick.
A little stressful with a rental.
Yes. Sorry, Avis. It'll buff out. Well, I'm trying to record.
Not working?
Well, it's just really dark. There it
Oh.
is. Hi, people.
Hi.
Yeah. So we scratched the elk camp, but we scouted, right?
Mhm.
Where are we?
On Elk River.
And what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go get in it.
Why?
Because we're sweaty.
It was 92 degrees. We were expecting 70s, and yeah. So we're gonna get in the river and probably freeze, but hey, here it is. We should get some water, cold water out of here. That's one thing my brother actually did provide that was correct. It was a water filter. Shout out Cody. Also, we bought a tent today. Labor Day sale. Not bad. So, yeah. Morning, Mattie.
Morning.
You're a fire queen. And we're eating pizza for breakfast. I'm eating pizza for breakfast. There we go. Pizza on a stick. Warm it back up. Oh. Also, note to self, the ground is a lot harder than you think it is when you don't have a sleeping pad. Right, Mattie?
Yeah.
I think we need some more sticks in here. This is Buena Vista, Colorado. They call this the collegiate range. They name it after colleges, so like Mount Princeton, Mount Yale. It's raining over here or something, I'm not sure. Pretty beautiful. Morning, Mattie.
Morning.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh. This view. Okay. We're headed back to Ohio. We just woke up. I think it's a 3-hour drive to Denver from where we're at, but pretty cool. $37 degrees. I think it got colder than 37 degrees. I think it was below freezing last night. That's frost, and my shorts are frozen solid. Alright. We had a lot of fun in Colorado. Elk scouting was successful besides not seeing any elk. We saw lots of elk sign. We were going to camp back there, but between being 95 degrees and traveling 4 miles on the craziest road I've ever driven on, which it wasn't a road, it was just a path, and the ruts were like 2 feet deep. We were in a rental car. I didn't want to take a chance of getting stuck, so we decided to scrap it. We had enough data from scouting that we were comfortable with just sending it in October. So we decided to camp on Elk River and Steamboat, and we drove down to Buena Vista, went to the hot springs, and where did we camp last night?
We camped at Cottonwood Lake.
Yeah, beautiful alpine lake. We camped at 9,300 feet. It was like below freezing last night. And now we're headed back to Ohio via Pittsburgh, so yeah, glad you had fun. Now I just need to shoot a big bull elk. I'm gonna drive out, I decided, to Colorado from Ohio, so that'll be fun. But it'll be worth it if I get a bunch of meat. So, any last warm wishes, regards, Mattie?
No.
Okay, we out.